𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪, which is my preferred rolling knife sharpener of all rolling knife sharpeners, has come out and done it again with a new accessory. This one is specialized for fillet knives, and we're going to show it to you and talk about it right now. Please like and subscribe because I've been building my channel for the last few years. We're gaining good momentum. We've got almost 3 million plus views on the channel, and I'm hoping to hit 10,000 subscribers this year, so please help me out. And thanks for watching. Now inside this box is the set of fillet knife holding adapters. And what's great about 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 is they always think about ways to make things convenient. In this case, it has its own case. This box, geniusly designed with a pull-out ribbon, has everything you need. And you can actually use these and put them away and store them with a heavy-duty box and not have it running around your drawers. So I think that was a fantastic design by 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪. Again, really nice box, and the functionality is great. In the box are 2 adapters. Bottom, we have these little rubber elevated spots so that when you put this on, it doesn't slide on the counter. Again, the same material, which is great. And you have both the 15-degree and the 20-degree on each side so that you can do either or. Now, if you look at my videos, there also is another device that lets you adjust these to any angle. We're not going to get into that in this video. I just want to talk about the standard adapters that come with this kit and how it actually works. Now, this is the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 block, the original block that comes with the sharpeners. And again, it's larger, designed for a lot of different knives. But the one thing that it doesn't do well is really thin, narrow gauged, and very, very long fillet knives. And so 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 wants to make sure they cover every single knife in the repertory. And the nice thing about this is it also does small pocket knives, I realized. So it's not designed for that, but I've done a video with this using a tiny pocket knife. Go ahead and check that out up here, and you'll be amazed how small you can do it. But with this, it's going to make it actually even easier. So let's talk about my favorite fillet knife. Now this is called a fillet knife. You also can call it a boning knife. It flexes. So I use it for filleting fish. I also use it for boning things, and I used it over Thanksgiving this year to actually get everything off of that turkey carcass, and it was really fantastic. Now, sharpening this with the standard sharpener is a little bit of a challenge because you have these really wide areas that are designed for the bigger knives. So if you put this down, and this is 15 degrees, and you want to sharpen this, it will stick, but you'll notice it sticks well below the top level so that when you go ahead and try to sharpen this, you're not going to hit it. You're going to be rubbing up against this block. Now, you can try to actually make it up towards the top, but it really isn't safe. It doesn't hold on well. And one of the big things with 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 is safety, to make sure this holds everything very securely. So 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 came out with these new blocks or holders that let you hold the fillet knife securely and sharpen this without getting bending as you're doing the sharpening. So let's take a close look and see how this works. So here I have these guides. They're 15 degrees on this side and 20 degrees on this side, and we're going to use the 15 degree. Now, because this is so long, you can adjust these for any length of knife, which is really nice. And you'll notice that this right here is designed very shallow, so when you put this in, not only does it hold it really well, but it comes up over the top, so you have no intrusion when you rub the wheel over the knife to sharpen it. I'm going to put one right up against the base like so, and I'm going to take another one and I'm going to put it up here towards the front so we have a really nice support. And then when you hold this, there is no flex on this knife anywhere, and I'm pressing it really good. If I press really hard, I can get that to bend, but it's tough. So the nice thing is when you do this, you can go across your fillet knife and you won't have any bend whatsoever. And in this case, I'm using the honing wheel because I just sharpened this actually with the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 about 4 or 5 days ago, and I wanted to use this, and so I checked it out sharpening. It'll be another video on how to sharpen with this, but it's pretty much the same thing. And as you can see, if we go across this, nothing hits on this. Matter of fact, I'll just hold this one down, and it's pretty secure, as you can see. And I'm pushing in pretty good. You don't have to push very hard. You just take the knife and peel it towards you. I'm going to hold these down, and it rotates and comes right off. And then you're going to just turn around this way. And we're going to go back and put it again into the base area and up towards the top. And you can adjust this so that your knife isn't flexing. And then again, you're going to hold down these two supports. You don't need a lot of pressure, just a little bit. and then you'll go ahead and roll this back and forth like so, and you'll see that it actually rolls very smoothly. And if you can hear this, I got my mic down, you don't hear anything. This ball bearing is so buttery smooth. It's just, I think just so nice. No noise, really smooth, and I really love this. So this is how you're gonna go ahead and sharpen and hone using these adapters for the fillet knife. Say I wanna work on the tip of the knife, just up at the top, and I've got some repairs to do. I'm gonna go ahead and put this at the top like so. I'm not gonna worry about this down here because this is gonna flex. But what I wanna do, I wanna focus on here and I wanna really give this a good sharpening. I'm gonna go ahead and come in like so, and I can really work this. I can actually apply some good pressure to it. If I've got a chip or something I really wanna work, it's gonna hold that fillet knife perfectly, and it's not gonna have any bending whatsoever as you go across the knife. Matter of fact, I can just hold this one down, you can see I'm pushing it really good. And if I push it hard, I can hardly bend that tip at all up at the top. And you still can use the hone to turn. I've got videos on that. So we just take that, and if your knife curves a little bit, you just add a little pressure and you can just curve it right around that knife. This one's fairly straight and you're good to go. And if you want to focus on just the back part, you can actually put this down like so, and you can then really focus. If you've got a nick or a chip back in here, you can do that. And again, I'll turn it around so you can see a little bit better. And on this, you can just, again, hold one down, and you can really work that. There is nothing in the rule book of knife sharpening that says you have to do the entire thing all the way. Now, typically you will, and there will be times when you have to repair damage on this, but there's nothing that says you can't focus on one area, and this lets you focus on it really well, and that way you can just keep it in that one area and go back and forth, take it off, turn it over, and again, hold this down and go back again on this side. Very functional, very easy, fantastic accessory. So for those of you that have the Hone platform, this is a fantastic accessory to add to your repertoire of accessories for Hone. There really isn't any kitchen knife that you can or cannot do now that you have this, because now they've covered the fillet knives. I have videos on all sorts of knives with the Hone. I've got cleavers and the techniques how to do them. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'd love to hear it from you and see if you have a Hone, and if not, you might want to pick one up. They're actually really great, and they're built extremely well. You definitely will not be disappointed if you know what a manual rolling knife sharpener is, because this thing's built like a tank, and it's absolutely fantastic. So make sure you check the link down below in the description for a special discount from Hone and a link to all my knife sharpening accessories in my Amazon store. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Smoke on, baby!